Hey, what's up guys? Let's take a quick dive into the brain of Google and see how it all works. Ever wondered how you can type a question into Google and get millions of results in seconds? Well, buckle up because we're about to find out. First things first, Google is like a massive library. But instead of books, it's got web pages. And just like any library, it needs to keep everything organized. That's where Google's web crawlers or spiders come in. These little bots are constantly scanning the internet, crawling through billions of web pages and indexing them for you. Imagine these crawlers as tiny librarians, tirelessly going through new content day and night. They read the pages, take notes of keywords, and store the information in Google's database. But the real magic happens in the algorithms. This is where Google's brain really shines. When you type in a query, Google's algorithms kick into high gear. Think of them as a series of super smart filters. They sift through that massive index of web pages and rank them based on over 200 factors. Yeah, you heard me right, 200 factors. Some of these include keyword relevance, site quality, and user experience. And let's not forget about RankBrain. It's part of Google's core algorithm and uses machine learning to understand the context and intent behind your search. RankBrain helps Google get better at understanding natural language queries, which means it's constantly learning and improving. Now you might be wondering, how does Google serve up those results so fast? The answer lies in its infrastructure. Google has data centers spread out all over the world, packed with thousands of servers. When you hit search, your query zips through the closest data center, processes the information lightning fast, and sends it back to you in milliseconds. But that's not all. Google also personalizes your search results. It takes into account your location, search history, and even the device you're using. All this helps Google provide the most relevant results specifically for you. So, next time you're Googling something, remember there's a whole lot happening behind the scenes. From the tireless web crawlers to the complex algorithms and massive data centers, it's all working together to get you the answers you need. Alright, that's it for this quick tour inside Google's brain. If you found this interesting, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tech mysteries you want me to unravel next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.